everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to clean your washing machine silicone ring. Now, you're supposed to wash your washing machine at least once a month. Show of hands, who doesn't do that? I didn't know you're supposed to clean it once a month. It's been 4 years. And I have 3 pets that all shed like Yetis. It's pretty gross. So there was a bunch of like black grime, a bunch of lint and fur all lying inside of this silicone ring trap thing where the water is expelled. So we're gonna clean that today and I will show you how. I've also posted a link to my blog that kind of just explains everything if you don't wanna watch this video. Or you can watch the video and see what I did. So I will show you how to do that right now. Stay tuned. Bye. So this is just grime and gunk that's been built up for the past few years. And it's so gross. So I'm gonna show you how to get rid of it. First, you're gonna need an old toothbrush or a scrubbing brush, some rubber gloves, a plastic bucket filled with hot soapy water and bleach, and some cut up old rags. These are just some old t-shirts that I cut up. So you're gonna scrub away everything at first, just to get as much off as you can. Then you're gonna soak your rags and you're gonna place them on top of the stuff that's hard to remove. It takes about 20 to 30 minutes, so I just did some dishes and watched some of The Office and played with my kittens. You know, productive stuff. Then you're gonna remove your rags and scrub away everything else and it should come off really easily. So this is it after you've taken everything off. There's some few black marks left, but I'm okay with that. If you still have a lot of stuff on yours, then just repeat the whole thing until it all comes off and you're satisfied with your work. And that's basically how you clean your washing machine silicone ring. If you can take it out, it makes it a whole lot easier. Apparently you can't take mine out, so I had to do that. But it's so much cleaner now. It smells a lot better. There's no gunk and grime in there anymore, which is really nice. But let me know your thoughts, comments, questions, ask them below. I'll be happy to answer any and all. And yeah, I guess that's it. Until next time, bye.